In this video about Weagree's SharePoint integration, I will elaborate on file naming and other DMS actions, explain how file synchronization works, explain how easy it is to correct misplaced files, and show how storage location can be modified pre-signature versus post-signing contract management. Flexibility and consistency in file naming and DMS actions, as Weagree allows several ways to import and store contract files. Each such way enables users to enforce their own file naming conventions and maintain a clean and well-structured contract repository. File naming and renaming, version indicators, description summary of file content, the file nature or classification, and the visibility and accessibility by colleagues, so user authorization, are extremely easy and intuitive. How to synchronize. How to synchronize contract files after working on either side, after adding new files, either on the side of SharePoint or through Weagree. For people on the SharePoint side only, all they as Weagree user need to do is making sure that the SharePoint side uploaded or created files are ultimately also synced in Weagree CLM. For users working in Weagree, it is even easier. All files added from within Weagree will anyhow already be correctly stored, all on the site and folder path identified initially. If an end user did not have access rights to the SharePoint site, or if the SharePoint site didn't exist yet, the files will be kept in Weagree. And obviously, until the SharePoint storage is set and files synchronized, Weagree will clearly indicate for that contract entry that the contract files are not yet where they ought to be. Very powerful, and it prevents you from having asynchronous systems. How to correct misplaced files. Of course, if an end user made a mistake in selecting the SharePoint site or subfolder path, later on they can correct this easily. Select the misplaced files in Weagree and click Move. In the pop-up, select the right folder, create a subfolder if necessary. It is this easy to correct a mistaken storage location. Distinguishing between pre-contractual negotiation stage versus post-signing contract management. By default, storage of contract files during the pre-contractual stage of negotiations would be the same as after signing the contract. Nonetheless, upon moving a contract into the CLM, a different storage archive may be enforced. It means that the signed contract and all related files in that contract entries repository will automatically be copied into the storage location defined for the CLM. In other words, Weagree enables you to use SharePoint for the pre-contractual negotiation stage and use another repository or other DMS or archive post-signing. Oh, and if you integrated Weagree with DocuSign, Adobe Sign or any other e-signing application, Weagree will fully automatically store the returned e-signed files in the correct SharePoint site and SharePoint folder path. Thank you.